Unraveling These Days, Understanding a Common English Phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you've probably heard quite often, these days. It's a common term in English conversations, and understanding it will help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive in and find out what these days really means and how you can use it in your daily English. The phrase, these days, refers to the current period of time or the recent past, as opposed to the past in general or the future. It's used to talk about trends, habits, situations, or feelings that are relevant to the present or have changed over time up to now. For example, kids these days are really tech-savvy. I don't watch much TV these days. In both sentences, these days is emphasizing the current state or recent times, suggesting that there's a difference from how things were before. Knowing when to use a phrase is as important as knowing its meaning. These days is often used when comparing the past to the present. Example 1. Reflecting changes over time. Past, I used to play a lot of video games. Present, I play fewer video games these days. Here, the speaker indicates a change in their habits from the past to the present. Example 2. Describing current trends. Electric cars are becoming more popular these days. The phrase here highlights a trend that is happening in the current times. Example 3. Expressing feelings or states. I've been feeling really tired these days. This sentence conveys that the speaker's feeling of tiredness is something recent or ongoing. When learning a new phrase, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are a few to watch out for with these days. Don't use these days for events that are in the future or very far in the past. Avoid using these days to describe a single event. It's meant to talk about a general trend or state. Now that you understand what these days means and how to use it, it's time to practice. Try to create sentences using these days that reflect changes in technology, culture, or even your own life. Listen to conversations in English media and pay attention to how speakers use these days. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, these days, and how you can use it to enhance your English speaking and writing. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using it in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning, and see you in the next video.